Nail art shouldn't be the last thing on your mind while preparing for a festival or wedding. Hi guys, I'm Kanchan and I'm going to show you 2 festive nail designs you can totally rock this season. If you are new to the channel, hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay notified with our latest videos. Do try out these nail art designs, share your picture and tag us on Instagram and Facebook because we'd love to see your recreation. Take a piece of striping tape or regular tape and lay it firmly down onto your nail in a diagonal fashion. Gently press it to make sure there are no air bubbles. Use your lightest shade first and work one nail at a time. Pull the tape up using your fingers or tweezers as soon as you have the polish down. While waiting for the gold to dry, go ahead and polish the rest of your nails. I chose to do this as my accent nails and painted the rest of my nails a bright red. Once the gold polish is completely dry, carefully put down a second piece of tape. Now use your next shade and paint a diagonal line again. Seal your mani with a top coat to give yourself a smooth, glossy finish. Choose a glitter polish and your favorite color. You can choose complementary tones or contrasting. I chose to go with complementary pinks. Paint 2 coats of your base color and allow it to dry. Dab on a bit of glitter polish onto a sponge, then dab it gently onto your nail. You can go as high as you want or keep it closer to the tips. Depending on how chunky your glitter polish is, you may want to do a second coat. Just allow it to dry for a few minutes between each coat. Top off your mani with a top coat for a smooth, glossy finish. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to polish your nails to festive perfection. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.